Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to show you how to change your DNS settings on a Raspberry Pi. In this case I'm using a Raspberry Pi 0W and it's set in a headless configuration, so in order to connect to it I'm actually going to use SSH. So I'm going to right click my start bar and I'm going to use Windows PowerShell admin. I'm going to select yes when user account control kicks in. Okay, once I've got my PowerShell open, I'm going to do SSH Pi, which is the username of the Raspberry Pi, @ symbol, and then the address of the Raspberry Pi. So this one should be Raspberry Pi. Okay, it's saying it can't authenticate the host, and am I sure I wish to connect? So I'm going to say yes, and it's asking me for the password. So I'll enter the password for my Raspberry Pi account, and that's me connected. So I will type CLEAR to clear the screen. Then in order to edit the DNS servers, you enter sudo, which is superuser_do space nano, which is a file editor, and then the path to the file, which is space /etc/resolve.conf, and then hit return. So as you can see at the moment, my name servers are actually pointing to my internet provider's ones. So in order to change this, for example, if I wanted to change this to Cloudflare's, I would just go down here. And I can still have it fall back to my internet providers. So I'll just leave that one as a second name server, but 1.1.1.1 is the fastest DNS service out there at the moment. Then you would do Control X to save, hit Y, and then hit return. And that was how you change your DNS servers on a Raspberry Pi. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.